and thank you for watching today. I don't know how many of you know, but I've recently started on a slightly new journey, trying to publish my own books, notebooks and things like that through Amazon self-publishing. And so I ordered one or two of the things that I've done so that I can see them. Unfortunately, although I do get an author price being in South Africa, I still pay quite a large amount to get them delivered here. So I haven't got all of my books, but bit by bit those that I get I will share with you on my channel. But then I also treated myself to a few little extras as well. I got these Crayola Colors of the World 24 markers. I thought I'd share them with you. So it's skin tones and they're water-based markers. So I don't know to how many people they would appeal, because I think they're probably aimed more at children than at adults. But they've got lots of lovely colors and I thought it would be great fun to try them. I love to get some new art supplies. And if you're interested in seeing how they work, please leave me a message and I'll do a little, maybe a review of them on different papers and things like that so that you can see. Oops, everything's sliding everywhere. Maybe I must get these things out of the way so that I can show you the colors here. Come on, there we are. So there are lots of different shades of all the colors of the world. So I think that's going to be fun, and with my new decision to just enjoy my coloring and stop trying to be brilliant at it, I keep trying my best but just enjoying myself, I thought I'm going to go with some slightly less expensive art supplies because I can't afford the expensive ones, and just have fun. So let me know if you'd like me to try these out and do a review of them. I can put a link to them if you like. Let me know also if you want a link to them. I mean, I think they're quite easy to find. This is one of my publications. It's just a small 6x9-inch journal. I've actually been using it already. This book belongs to in the front, and then I'll go to blank pages. Just got daily thoughts and a date, and there are 10 quotes that are repeated consecutively through. So I think it's quite a nice little notebook, and I'm actually quite enjoying using it. So that's the next thing that I got. Then I ordered a Dover, A Walk in the Woods by Dot Barlow. It's an old book, but it looked nice to me, and it's different. It gives you a little bit of information about the things, and I just fancied trying it out. Like the tortoise. I want to do this picture. It's like on my list of things I want to do. Slightly different sort of style with the lines through everything to give texture. What is that? It's called, oh, it's a porcupine. I wouldn't have actually recognized it. I'm so used to seeing pictures of slightly more comic book type ones. I love these. And it tells you the one at the right has found some raspberries and the one in front is dining on red clover. So it gives you some idea of what they're doing. I like this book. It's different, and I love nature, so I thought it just appealed to me. Okay, that's that. Then I bought another one, A Creative Haven, African Glamour, also an old book by Marjorie Sarnett and C.I. Slater. I'm not doing a full page through because this is an old book, and I'm sure it's got many page throughs on YouTube already. If you're, look at that, isn't that lovely? If you're interested and really want me to, leave a message and I'll do so. I've started on this picture, which I'm quite keen on. That's so cute. So let me know if you want a full page through. And then I got some mail today. So this is actually the same as, sure, it's very squashed looking. Not the best packaging. I hope they're not damaged. Same as the markers, but these are Colours of the World pencils. So let me close that. Let me try and get that in there. I think I'll have to use some masking tape or something to stabilize this poor battered box. And all the colors, broken points. Not the greatest packaging from our friend Amazon, but again, if you want me to do a review of them, let me know. So I could review, they're aged at age 5+, so as you can see, it's not really adult coloring, but it's Crayola, and I quite enjoy Crayola. So I'm going to just try that, and then another big envelope, which I suspect is just a small book. That's 2 books. These are things that I published myself that I'm quite pleased with. I like that cover, Girl Boss. So it's again a 6x9 notebook. This book belongs to, and a little coffee coloring page at the front, and then it's just a lined notebook. But I think it's quite attractive, and there's a little girl on the back, and I'm very pleased to have it in my hot little hands. And then a music manuscript book that I designed. This is the cover. This is a gloss cover, and this is a matte cover, which feels kind of almost like suede. That's my name, Prettily Printed ZA, my publishing name. And then it's got this book belongs to. It's got a music quote, and a thanks to Diedrich Besson and Thiernis Rousseau, who helped me with some of the inserts. It's got the notes and rests reference sheet, and the circle of fifths. And there's an update. This first one that I ordered, the next update has got the 4 clefs and the note names on as well. They left it out of this, so I complained, and the interior has been updated. So I'll show you that. And then lined paper, and then lined paper with manuscript paper, so that if you have a child that's going to a music lesson and they want to take notes about the theory they're learning, it makes it easier to put the example next to it. Or if they're going for a music lesson, particularly vocal lessons, for me, I like to be able to write all sorts of things about the breathing and then do the exercises I want them to do. And so that's why I designed this book. So then it's just an interior like that. Pleased to have my own copy. So that's it for today, and thank you very much for watching and joining me. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be a page through of the coloring book that I've produced. Bye-bye now.